Hey everyone, what's going on? Today we are doing a video and it's on Subway Surfers, World Tour New York. I'm gonna be really allowed to hear allowed to put Xbox name is on and allowed to get to it. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah. By the way, I've already played this game a lot of times. Some multiplayer too, because well, my high score is really high. Yeah, 1,000. Getting those good streaks right now. Okay. The word is cliffs for this today. Anyway, guys, I will also be on this Thursday, I'm gonna be doing a rugby tournament, and I'll tell you how was it, and yeah, stuff like that on Thursday, because that's when I finish. It'll be uploaded about 5:30. I don't know, maybe even later, but yeah, okay, that's when it finishes. So yeah, we're doing it in 3G pitch. Yeah. So now I'm on 3,500. Good streak. Really good. My high score's 3 million. So yeah, took me a long time though to get that score. I'll show you in a minute. By the way, my real name is Jack, and yes, so yeah. So far, Cliff, we need just one S, and then we complete that. Let me just pause it for a second to see. Okay, we need to pick up 2 super sneakers, 1 left. So 1 super sneaker left, and then we get a multiplier 3. There is that S. Okay, now we've got Cliff, so we will soonly get a. Okay, got the reward, 500 coins in the bank. Let's go. So far, I've got 450 coins, about pretty much that much. Oh, super sneakers, yay. Okay, complete that. Now I'm on ×3, so this will be a bit more interesting. Oh, whoa, that was close. Oh god, I'm in a sticky situation, and I died. Okay, so by the way, my top run, wow, didn't get really much, I don't think. Yeah, dance about. I didn't get anything because I didn't really play it that much, but yeah, my high score is 3,287,770. So yeah. Oh, these are reset, so I'm gonna buy some of them. I'm gonna buy them. Okay. Oh, I can actually buy nothing. I'm gonna buy coin magnet, and then I'll save 2 times multiplier. Let's go. So I leveled it up twice now. So yeah, let's keep on going. Level 2 twice, and all leveled up once, at least. So now, really slow, yeah. Now I have to get 2 character tokens from mystery box. Roll 30 times in total. Okay, that's quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What? Already? Okay. I might have missed count or something, or it might have already been. I've done some rolls. Anyway, carry on. Anyway, yeah, also, I will do videos, try and do daily, but, I will certainly do, like, 2 days, like, 2 videos a day once I get 1,000. That will be really happy. I will be really happy in that time. Subscribes mean a lot to me, and you guys are one of them. If you are not right now, you can pause the video really quickly and hit that subscribe button down below. So right now, I have got a super sneaker. Super sneakers? Right, okay. Collecting those coins. This might be the last run, so yeah. Ooh, and I died. Okay. Well, that is all for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Yay, 1,000 coins for a lucky day. Thank you for watching.